Hello guys, welcome back to Geeks254. Today it's me here, Young Coda, and my cameraman there behind the scenes called Adrian. So today we're gonna talk about this. This is the new iPods in town, yeah, and they cost us around, Adrian, was it $20?
Yeah, $20.
Yeah, exactly. So we ordered it last night and it has arrived safely with us today. So we are gonna see what's inside it. Let's check it out. Wow, so when you open the box, you're met with the Type-C charging port. Yeah, and there's no head. That's weird. But why should we be using micro USB when you have Type-C? Anyway, yeah. So in here we have our AirPods packed in the power bank there. There are two. So each one has its charging port. Yeah, as you can see. Yeah, we're gonna test them and see how they work. Yeah. So here we met with the manual. It's better when you get something new, go through the manual so that you see how that things work. Yeah, and it's pretty big. So we're gonna go through the summary only. Summary here, we're being told dust proof, multifunction button, mic, charging port, charging box, Android charging port. Yeah, this is the charging port now, and we have the Android charging port here, and also here we have the specification. It's model i7S wireless version 5, speaker impedance 32 ohms, and micro sensitivity 42 dB, frequency 2, battery capacity 65 milliamps stroke 950 milliamps, working temperature between 10 and 55 degrees Celsius, input that's direct current 5 volts, transmission distance 12 meters. Really 12 meters? Yeah, we're gonna find that out. And playing time 5 to 6 hours. I doubt that. Yeah, they pretty have a small battery, so I don't believe that. And standby time, they're saying 100 hours. Charging time 1 to 2 hours. It might take longer. Yeah, I've once used things like this. So let's try out the charging port. There we go. You put in your AirPods buds until you feel like it has clicked. Okay, then you close them. Then you connect your micro USB charger there, that way. Then you connect here. When you see the red light, it means it's charging. Okay, we are being told here that it charges for around 1 to 2 hours. That's not much. Yeah guys, that's for today, and next we're gonna shoot we're gonna shoot when we are trying to use it. Yeah, hope I see you next time. Hope you enjoyed the video. Thank you.